Hi everyone! Over the past year, Miles and I have been so proud to partner with Sanofi to raise awareness about the importance of type 1 diabetes autoantibody screening. And we're here with Dr. Crosby, Miles' actual pediatrician, to walk us through how it works.
That's right. There are many paths to getting screened, which you and your doctor can discuss. But this is an at-home T1D screening kit. You actually don't need a doctor to do it. It's designed for families to use themselves. I've seen what a tough diagnosis can look like. Most people don't find out about type 1 until they're in a potential emergency situation. And the truth is, anyone can be at risk. That's why I encourage screening and why I'm doing it too.
So, everything you need is right here. Your alcohol pad, Lancet, and a blood spot card.
And it just takes a few minutes to conduct the screening, and it gives families a big head start if T1D is in their future.
And this is for anyone, right?
Yes, anyone 6 months and older can be screened. And it's important for adults too. People often think type 1 is a kid's disease, but actually of the approximately 64,000 new cases diagnosed in the US each year, nearly 60% are in adults.
Now, when should you screen? Should you wait for symptoms to come before taking action?
It's actually important to screen before symptoms appear. By the time signs like frequent urination, weight loss, exhaustion, or extreme thirst show up, type 1 diabetes is already in its later stages. Early screening helps identify your risk sooner so families have more time to prepare and plan.
And since Miles has T1D, I know that puts me at a higher risk too. So I want to know.
Absolutely. If a family member of yours has type 1 diabetes, that increases your risk by up to 15 times. And if you have a family member with another autoimmune condition like Graves', Hashimoto's, or celiac, your risk increases up to 3 times.
Okay, so step 1 is we're gonna take our Lancet.
No, Mom, you have to clean your finger first.
I do, that's right. We do that
right.
for you every time. So here we go. Do this one. Get our Lancet, twist it off. And that part we're gonna push into our finger. Oh, that was easy.
Perfect.
You ready? Oh, I did it!
There it is.
Put it in.
There
And
it
remember,
is.
it's important to get enough blood on the sample card for the lab to get a reading. Wow, beautiful.
Yay!
My turn.
He wants to do it so bad. No, it's Dr. Crosby's turn. I know I could have done this by myself, but I'm really glad you were here to help me.
Of course, happy to help. And if this also helps families in the type 1 diabetes community feel more confident about screening, that's even better. Now we let it dry, we package it up, and we send it to the lab. And you'll be able to check the results in a few weeks. In the meantime, you can help me with mine.
Are you ready to help Dr. Crosby?
Yeah.
Okay.
And mine is done too.
There we go. So that's it. A quick prick, a couple drops of blood, and we'll know so much more about our risk for type 1 diabetes.
Screening helps spot risk early in T1D's progression before symptoms appear, so families can act sooner and plan with confidence.
High five.
Thanks,
one.
baby. And thank you, Sanofi, for engaging us to raise awareness about the importance of screening for type 1 diabetes. Talk to your doctor about making a screening plan today and
Screen it like you mean it.